Few days ago, I decided to take on a challenge drawing every day for 30 days and show the results through YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. I just finished 7 days of this challenge, and this video will be the recap of what I've done through these days. As I am a self-taught artist, there are still many things which are not clear to me. That's why I want to learn them from this challenge and share my journey with you guys. Now, let me tell what changes happened in my artworks and how I improved my art. So, let's get started. Okay, the first 7 days I basically went through all the basic steps and checked my skills on anatomy. I practiced drawing head, hand, body, and also did some human poses. To improve my skills, I watched some tutorial videos on YouTube, especially drawing heads and hands. I tried my best to implement all these things I have learned and gave details as much as I could. And because of this, I got some shocking results that I couldn't believe. I saw more improvement in my anatomy skill than the previous projects. Now, my head and hand drawing are more accurate. After improving drawing individual body parts, I made a full human figure. Now the differences are even more clear. Overall, I have seen a huge improvement in my drawing during these 7 days, and this made me excited for the rest of the challenge. Also, watching forward to my full improvement at the end, so follow me along to witness the whole challenge. Goodbye.